Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introducing myself. My name is Nurul Adinda from class BC 214. In this video, I will discuss and tell you about inclusive education for students with disability. Inclusive education for students with disability is an educational approach that aims to ensure that all students, including those with special needs, can learn together in regular class with adequate support. It seeks to remove physical, social, and academic barriers that may hinder the full participation of students with disability in mainstream educational setting. Okay, the next fact and statistic. Here I found some data and facts relate to the issue. The first one is facility accessibility. According to data from the Kementerian Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan, Kemendikbud, only about 20% of schools in Indonesia have disability-friendly facility. This include physical access such as ramp, elevator, and accessible toilet. Example, to a primary school in a rural area, there is no ramp access for students who use a wheelchair. As a result, students with physical disability have to assisted by friend or teacher to climb stairs, which limit their access to educational facility. For the second, lack of trained teacher. According to report by UNICEF 2020, around 75% of teachers in Indonesia feel underprepared and lack the skill for teach students with a special need. This is due to the lack of specialist training they receive on inclusive education. Like example, in a secondary school, a math teacher admitted that we had difficult teaching a student with autism spectrum disorder because he did not know the appropriate teaching method. This result in the student falling behind in the lesson and not being able to follow the class properly. And the last, stigma and discrimination. A survey conducted by the Indonesian Survey Institute or LSI in 2021 showed that 45% of parents in Indonesia still think that children with disability are better educated in a special school than in mainstream school. Like example, a student with an intellectual disability in secondary school is often ostracized by fear for being different to make the student feel uncomfortable and less motivated to participate in school activity. Okay, for the next current key challenge and barrier. Here are several challenges and barriers that occur in Indonesia, such as the first one, lack of resources. Many school and educational institutes do not have good enough resources to support the educational use of students with disability, such as accessible physical facility, specialist equipment of trained personnel. For the second, lack of support from government. Policies and regulation that support inclusive education may not always be consistent or well implemented. Lack of policy support from the government can limit the access of students with disability to inclusive education. And teachers often do not have sufficient training to teach in inclusive setting. They may not have be familiar with teaching strategy that can meet the need of diverse students, including those with disability. The third, lack of community awareness and education. The general public often lack awareness of the importance of inclusive education and in benefit for all students. Community education about inclusive can help reduce stigma and increase support for inclusive education. The challenges in inclusive education for student, teacher, and the education system are significant. For students, inclusive environment provide opportunity to interact with diverse peers, increase independence, and broaden their understanding of diversity. For teacher, greater teaching challenges in inclusive environment can improve teaching skill and provide high job satisfaction when seeing the positive impact of their effort at the education system. Inclusive education promote a paradigm shift towards a more equitable and inclusive system and strengthens the provision of resources to support the success of all students. Okay, the next, there are several solutions to the challenges that inclusive education is currently facing. Appropriate solution to address the challenges in inclusive education involve a range of integrated and sustainable action. First, it is important to raise awareness and understanding of the importance of inclusion among all stakeholders, including teacher, student, parent, and society in general. This can be done through training program, workshop, and public campaign supported by the government and educational institution. Secondly is significant investment. Significant investment is needed in the provision of physical, technological, and personal resources needed to support inclusive education. For example, accessible physical facilities, specialists, equipment, and training and support for teacher and school staff. Furthermore, there is a need for strong and consistent policies that support inclusive education at all levels, from international to local. These include creating regulation that promote inclusion, allocating sufficient budgets, and establishing joint working team between the government, education institute, and civil society organization. An example of successful implementation can be found in country of New Zealand. The Te Wariki model promotes an inclusive approach in early childhood education where every child, including those with special needs, is recognized as a unique and valuable individual. It encourages collaboration between teacher, parent, and community in designing responsive and inclusive learning environment. A successful implementation like this demonstrate that with the right commitment from all stakeholders, as well as adequate support from policies, resources, and best practice, inclusive education can become a reality that enriches the learning experience for all students. For the last, in conclusion, inclusive education for students with disability in Indonesia faces significant challenges and barriers, including inadequate infrastructure, lack of trained teacher, non-adaptive curricula, stigma and discrimination, insufficient funding, and low community awareness and understanding. Overcoming these challenges requires comprehensive and collaborative solutions such as improve school infrastructure, continuous training for teacher, inclusive curriculum development, public awareness campaign, increase educational budget, vocation, and stronger policy enforcement. The implementation of this solution requires cooperation between the government, educational institution, the private sector, and the general public with concrete steps such as building disability-friendly facility, integrating inclusive education material in the teacher training curriculum using assistive technology, conducting awareness campaign, and improving policy monitoring and evaluation. We can create an equitable and inclusive education environment. This will enable all students, including those with special needs, to gain access to proper education and reach their full potential, thus contributing meaningful to social and economic life. To create a more inclusive future in education for students with disability, we need to act together. First of all, it is important for the government to increase its commitment and budget allocation to support inclusive education. We also need to encourage the government to develop and enforce policies that ensure accessibility, teacher training, and inclusive curriculum development. In addition, public education on the importance of inclusion and its positive impact on children development is key. Through awareness campaign, through social media, seminar and public discussion, we can increase public understanding and support for inclusive education. Let us unite in our determination to overcome the challenges in inclusive education for students with disability. Let us unite in our determination to overcome the challenges of inclusive education for students with disability. An inclusive future is not just a dream, but a goal that we can achieve through hard work, collaboration, and determination. Every small step we take today brings us closer to that vision of just and diversity-friendly society. Let us commit to not only being witness, but also doors of real change. Together, we can create an educational environment that is supportive, inclusive, and enable every child to reach their full potential. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.